like black spaces.
Oh, now I have to readjust all that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go ahead and turn it off.
I was just wanting to hear the video. And he said, this eye right here is pink. Look up, babe.
He's got a...
It's just pink around it. I think eye drops and antibiotic.
That's his rib cage.
Or a spot on his head tongue sticking out. He seems to be liking that. So little, ain't he? Do you do size about 6 pounds, I'd say?
No, he's bigger than Gigi.
Is he?
Yeah.
So you think he's bigger than 6 pounds?
Well, that paper says he's 7 or, I don't know.
That paper said, yeah.
8 years, 7, 8 years.
You can't trust him. I mean, we're weighing scales right here when you cry. So you got knots down there, are you sure? That,
No.
I mean, you're not...
No, I've done scrub
no knots on his body. Teeth didn't look great, but didn't look bad either. I didn't see any black in his mouth.
I don't think, I think that's this.
What do you do, like go to sleep? Look at the tongue going sideways.
I mean, that's nothing wrong with his eye. It's just
irritated.
No, I think that's the color of it.
His eyelashes. No. Or his head the other way. Let's see the other eye. He likes that rubbing by that ear. Yeah, see how wide that eye, that one is, and that one's not pink around it. He's even got hair loss around this one pretty bad.
Well, I think it's... I don't know.
Well, we'll see when we move that. Man, you got a lot of dirt on it, don't you? It's good. Very good. That tongue. That must feel good.
Back here is what I can't.
He was chewing, so I gave him a Benadryl.
I gave him a Benadryl.
We'll get him started on an antibiotic. He's just taking it in. What are you trying to figure? Is there something there you're trying to figure out? If
I'm seeing it's washing off. It looks like it is getting lighter.
So you don't know if it's goo on him there?
I don't know what it is. Better quit scrubbing. Feels like skin.
Might be a scab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I didn't see no fleas.
No, there weren't fleas. That was, you see you had hair loss there. Let me see your face, baby. Are you getting sleepy now from that Benadryl? And some of them hang their tongues out like that.